she's going to be working with this. And I'm starting to make this, guys. Look at it. Look at this. So, yeah, stay tuned. Lego. Here, hold this video what I'm doing. Show them everything. No, show them my science, but only. Don't show everything, Jenny. No, just make them see everything inside. You see everything happening, guys? First, we're going to start mixing this. I already got it tied and everything, you know? Now you want to let it sit. Jenny, let me see the other one. Give me that. Now you want to let it sit, you know? And you want to take some other stuff out. Where's my bag? It's over there. Here. Now you want to show them everything. Now you want to add a little glitter in here. Well, not a little, but enough. Show them everything now. Show them everything. Your back camera. Mix it up. Real good. And you know, let it sit. Now open this. And mix it up because it's already slime. It's just that I added lotion to it. And you want the lotion to be looking good. Yes, I'm using a shot of mix. You got a problem? You know you're not supposed to do that, right? Mm-hmm. You are? You supposed to do that? Let's re-see it. I know. I will look pretty in videos after this out. Alright. Now you want to start poking and mixing with your hands. That is a total fail, girl. Now you want to add more Tide because it's sticky. Let's see if it gets. Okay, come on, throw that. They see everything, Jenny? They see. Okay. You want to add enough inside? Jenny, come on. Watch the camera so they can see. Jenny, stop looking over there. Add this much and mix. Oh my God, mix with your hand. This is annoying. Look at that new one. I don't like this one. It's too loud. Now, take it out and stretch and play with it. Jenny, don't do nothing. Okay, watch it, Jenny. I know. That's what I mean. Did they see everything? Make sure they see everything. Look at the camera. Watch it, Mikey. I'm messing up my video. Okay. Shut up, Ashley. You're messing up your own video. Of glitter. Of your own video. Now let it sit. Let it sit. Mix. With your hands, my G. Your hands. You don't hear it like that. then you don't hear me.